Here I have LG G7 and let me show you how to enable the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings. And here you need to choose the network tab, choose here tethering. And here let's choose the Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's enable this hotspot by using that switcher right here. You need to set up the password. In my case, let me use the simple one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Tap save. That's it. Here you can set up the Wi-Fi hotspot as well, so you can change the Wi-Fi name, the broadcast channel, the security type, the password, the maximum number of users. You can also show some advanced options, for example, see other options for broadcast channel. If you change something, tap save. If not, choose cancel. Here you can also set up the timeout, so the time when the hotspot will be disabled. And here you've got the connected device list. You can also disable the hotspot by using the same switcher, and you can go back and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.